Hey guys, if you're a YouTuber and you're struggling to find a way to create stunning YouTube thumbnails to stand out among your competitors, so in today's video I'm gonna show you 4 wonderful AI tools enable you to craft beautiful YouTube thumbnails just with a click of a button and completely for free. So now let's get started. And the first website here in our today's video, that is gentube.app. It's one of the most recent AI image generator that gives you many of these advantages like fast generation, completely for free, and even unlimited use. And honestly, it gives you high quality and ultra realistic images based on your prompt. So here you've got to click over this button, create your image, and then you are required to sign up using Gmail, Facebook, email, and so on. So I will try this one, continue with Google. Then you will be taken to this home page of this amazing website, where you can find in this gallery beautiful and ultra realistic images from different users about different topics, as you see. So here to create your own images here, so click over this button, new, and go this one, create as your type. And the best part here in this amazing website gentube.app, it's about the real-time image generation. That means it gives you the most accurate image while typing your prompt. So here, if you type anything, it gives you back your image. So for example, to try this amazing quality, I would like to type something like a poor village where people are starving, for example. And just in few seconds here, second per second, it gives you the real-time image generation based on your words you wrote down, as you observe. And for sure, if you add different and extra words to describe this case or this image further, it gives you more and ultra realistic image. So you can actually use this amazing website for real-time generation based on your description. Or even if you got a ready prompt that you can get from ChatGPT or any AI tool to create your own image just with a click of a button. So here I'll just try this one, for example, to create your YouTube thumbnails about this dog training niche. So here you can find this amazing YouTube thumbnail like this one, train your dog to be social. Amazing YouTube thumbnails, as you see. Realistic one, and for sure you can answer to different and add different details like make it dimensions of YouTube, regular videos, and so on and so forth. So anyway, here you can try this amazing tool to give you back amazing and stunning YouTube thumbnails. And don't forget that here you can find in these 3 dots, you can actually customize your dimensions as your preferences. Like you can make it this one. Okay, as you see, train your dog to be social. Smiling dogs looking at the camera. Perfect YouTube thumbnails to your videos on YouTube. So we can move on to the next tool quickly in this video. That is one of the most lovely tools I just admire so much. That is the recraft.ai. Frankly speaking, it's one of the most interesting and impressive tool I just tried to create images in different styles and for free. So here you can go to this one, log in or get recraft free. Then you've got to create a new project here. So you can find different options, create images, frames, mockups, and so on. And for sure, I just talked about a little bit about this amazing tool to create your mockups using AI. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, to generate high quality and stunning and fantastic YouTube thumbnails for your channel, you can go to this one image. Then you've got to insert here your prompt, like the previous one, the previous example, like this one for your dog niche channel. Okay, here you can find different styles to make your own YouTube thumbnails. You can find a myriad of these styles that you can't find in any other website, as you observe. So to make it realistic and and more convincing. So I just select this one, recraft v3 raw. Okay, and to make it as a YouTube dimensions, here you can go to this option, so you can play around here to get what you want. Here the 16 and 9, the regular dimensions of YouTube videos. Okay, so it's time now to click over this button, recraft. Just a matter of seconds to create and craft wonderful YouTube thumbnail for your videos. As you see, amazing one. Train your dog to be social. Okay, and it gives you two variants or two different results, like this one again. Amazing one. And the best part here in this amazing website, it gives you elegant fonts, as you see. So you can find this yellow banner and this one for the colorful font and so on and so forth. Then it's time now to export this image. Click over this one, export as PNG or JPG. And by the way, here you can find for every single image up there different editing tools, like you can turn it into a mockup, remove a background, or add something else, add text, and so on and so forth. So you can try this amazing website completely for free, Recraft, to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos just with a click of a button based on your prompt and description. And now we can move on to upcoming website, that is for sure the playground.com, one of the most unique websites out there to create beautiful images using AI. And what sets Playground apart from all these AI image generators, here you can depend on done for you templates to create your image. It could be t-shirt design, mockups, stickers, ebook covers, and so on. So you can actually customize or edit this template to create your new unique result. And for sure it likewise on YouTube thumbnails and so on. So for example, I just go to this one, upload and edit image here, and just would upload a YouTube thumbnail that I can get from Behance, Dribble, YouTube videos out of inspiration to edit this YouTube thumbnail to get a new one. So for example, I click over this one to upload a YouTube thumbnail like this one, for example, and here you can find custom, and here you can find different options to customize this image. Either you can change this style, you can find here a plethora of these styles as you observe, or you can change its size or change its color palette, or simply you can insert here your change you want to do to this one. So for example, I want to change this text to another one, like the magic would be real, for example. So I can actually insert this prompt, change this text to the magic would be real. Okay, and go. And just in few seconds here, it gives you back amazing and unique YouTube thumbnail for your videos. As you see, perfect YouTube thumbnail, right? The magic would be real. Okay, and you change this girl, different amazing ones, and so on. And for sure you can actually make customization further to this YouTube thumbnail just by removing this bottle. You can change this fruit to another one, like it could be apple, and so on and so forth, based on your prompt or your description or your change you want to make to this YouTube thumbnail. So that way you can create YouTube thumbnails based on your inspiration or a template or done for you template in this amazing library of playground.com. And now we can move on to the last one here to create and craft beautiful YouTube thumbnails using AI. For sure, it's ChatGPT. Here, by the latest update of ChatGPT to create stunning, realistic images. So here you can insert your prompt to create beautiful images, or you can actually upload different YouTube thumbnails, or by uploading, for example, a YouTube thumbnail and your photo, and ask ChatGPT to replace this person in this YouTube thumbnail with your photo. with keeping the all details like the neons, the styles, fonts, and so on and so forth to create beautiful and unique image from ChatGPT. And for sure, you can do that in the free version without it costing you a dime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.